Mwanya, this is already 1 year. Already 1 year! And you are still not showing any sign.
My king, I don't know. It bothers me too.
It bothers you indeed. I doubt it. I doubt it. Or there is still something you are not telling me.
My king.
Stop calling me a king. Stop it. Put forth to bed. That is what every other woman does. Do it. Do it.
Your Highness. You know, when our son Ikobi becomes the next king, I'm sure he's going to bring in a lot of changes that will be beneficial to this kingdom.
I believe so. But only if he can give me a listening ear. Yes. What is it?
Your queen has just given birth to a beautiful goddess.
What?
She
My
has
wife has
arrived
delivered?
Yes.
Take me to her! Take me to her! I am coming. I'm coming.
No. No. It's not possible. It's not possible! How can she give birth? I tried my possible best. Sumezu, you're a failure. What should I do next? What is that? You cannot open your mouth to greet?
Greetings, Her Majesty.
Now you listen to us and adhere to our instructions. See those beads? You take them back to Mwanya's quarters. And then you come back. We send you on errands. Did you hear her? Or you have suddenly become deaf?
My queen, I am sorry, but we cannot oblige you. We only oblige one person, and that person is...
That's shush! Shut up. How dare you? Who are you? If care is not taken, I will feed your cups to the night birds. Wretched, stupid maiden. You oblige who? That miserable, wretched...
That wretched, miserable one has a name. Her name is Queen Mwanya, the shining sun of Umurutu clan.
When you are done, you'll follow my daughter. She will tell you what to do.
They take orders from just one person, and that is me.
Shall I remind you that before you stepped your filthy feet into this palace, they adhered to my biddings?
I know. But that was then, not anymore.
We shall see.
it! Move it!
What was that?
Better move, my friend. Stand up.
Please don't hurt me, please.
Move it.
Now let her go. Leave her alone. Let her go.
But we are sent by the prince of this land to bring her to the palace.
Go tell your prince that I refuse you from maltreating anyone, especially an innocent one in this community.
And you will not do that.
You will not do that. You will not do that. Are you still here? Are you still here? Are you hurt?
No, I'm not.
Now remember, anyone who fights you or any other orphan in Umurutu kingdom has me to contend with. Now go.
May the gods bless you.
Yes, you too.
May the gods bless you.
Obiajuno, I can see you both are having a good time. Remember, we have to go check our traps. At least to see if we get some bushmeat today.
That is true. But you know what? I'll come after you. Just go, eh? Go.
I'll meet you there. Just go. It will be best we go together.
Before you will say I have removed the meat. You will say I have removed the meat. Let us go. He will say I know him. He will say I have removed the bush meat from the trap. Let us go. Let us go.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Father, I tell you, she cost me. She cost me that I shall ever be less than her witch of a daughter.
How do you mean my wife cost you?
She dead. Right in my presence. She told me that I am nothing. She said she would take everything away from us and give to her daughter. She says she would strip us of royalty. I don't know what is going on. I don't know what she has given to you that has made you not see what is happening.
This can never happen.
Then do something. Something, Father. You can send her away. You can beat her. You can curse her, whatever. But just put her in her place.
My king, you sent for me.
Now listen, Maya. Listen. You are warned. From today, never you open your mouth to curse my daughter. Nor any other person in this palace.
My king.
You have heard me clearly. You are warned. Now leave.
No, your highness. You have to hear me out first. These people do nothing but lie against me.
You are warned. You are warned. Now leave my presence. Leave, I say!
My king, listen. She called royalty these people. We are now these people.
That is an insult.
She's already stripping us of royalty. You need to do something. Send her away. You went and married her. Wasn't I good enough? I thought I gave you everything. Just send her away. Send her away.
Ugebe.
What do you seek, Ikobi?
I see that your confidence will destroy you. Be warned, because very soon it is going to put you into danger. Now listen to me and listen to me very carefully. Do not ever disrupt my orders.
Your orders were against the rights of the people.
You talk about right? What do you know about the right of the people? How dare you challenge me, Ugewe? How dare you?
I fear no one. I will defend the people. And I say anyone you maltreat, be it you or anybody, I will protect them.
Very soon, I am going to put you in your place. Very soon.
I await that day, brother.
And what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Get out!
Obin, where are you running to as if someone took your piece of land? Kedifo, what is the matter?
Ikem, when an elder sees an atrocity and decides to bury it, death is what follows it. I'm going to the palace to report Ikobi to his father. Yes!
You are going to the palace to report the prince to his father, the king?
Yes! I will do that.
Are you okay? And if I may ask, what has he done?
My sister Ele returned home from the farm and told me how the gas forcefully wanted to take her to the prince. If not for the intervention of Ugewe, you and I know his motive. Ikem, we have kept quiet for a long time. Enough is enough. I'm going to the palace to report to his father. I'm going.
Wait. I mean, don't be in a rush going to the palace to report to the prince. Come to think of it, taking such an issue to the king at this point in time is not the best option. You and I know that. Huh? I mean, what are you going to tell him? What proof do you have? I mean, don't forget our friend who died of this same silly mistake because he has no proof.
Ikem, you baffle me. You surprise me sometimes. Why do you speak like a woman, like a weakling most times?
What?
Yes!
No.
You talk like a woman! See, if not for the fact that you're my friend, at least you are also the youth leader of this land.
Yes, I know that.
You are supposed to embark on this mission with me.
Who?
Yes! Ikem, you disappoint me. I'm disappointed, Ikem.
Listen, Obinna, this is not a matter of being disappointed or not. Listen, facing royalty without a proof is like challenging the gods on a battleground. Don't you know that? Listen, Obinna, this whole thing can bring your head and your sister's head in the queen's cooking pot. In case you don't know that. This battle is of the gods and not yours. Think of that. Be wise.
Mother.
Leave us. You're back.
Yes, Mother. What is the problem?
They lied against your father and I.
What did they say? Mother, what did they do?
Your father embarrassed me and I left. I left with my head bent in shame. Ugebe! Ugebe! Oh no. What have I done?
You are back?
Yes, Father.
No.
Father.
You are so excited this morning. What is happening?
Father.
Come and sit down.
Okay.
And tell me what is happening.
My father. Prince Ikobi set his eyes on me.
What do you mean by Prince Ikobi set his eyes on you?
Father, on my way to the stream, I saw Prince Ikobi. He was staring at me. Hey, Father, the way he was staring at me, I saw affection in his eyes. I'm so happy.
My daughter.
Father.
Do not be so excited. For you are not yet sure. That young man, Prince Ikobi, is arrogant and evil. So, don't be excited yet. Let's just watch and see what will happen. You have to be very careful. Do you hear me?
Yes, Father.
Go and warm the food and bring it for me.
Okay, Papa.
Ekema is all I could ever ask for. Her beauty is breathtaking.
You know, Obiachulu, sometimes I begin to wonder. I mean, do you know if she really loves you the way you love her? And the prince has not even set his eyes on her yet. Because if he does...
I don't care if the prince has seen her or not. Ekema is mine, and mine alone.
Obiachulu, you speak with so much certainty.
Yes, that is because when it comes to my affection for Ikemma, I can do anything. My rage knows no limit. Yes.
Let's not spend the whole day talking about Ikemma. It's already raining. How about we go finish up our work?
I've lost interest in that.
Take it easy.
Concentrate.
Inelum! How dare you? How dare you tell lies against my mother? Mother, is anyone talking? No. Oh, I can only see a riffraff standing here. I am talking to you! How dare you? How dare you touch me with your filthy hands? Never again! Never again! Never again what? Now you listen to me. Never you step on my toes or my mother's. Don't even try it. You abandoned one forcefully trying to get attention. Ah! Stupid! How dare you? Are you don't come close to me! Don't come close to me! Oh! Sacrilege! Sacrilege! People are going to come. She wants to kill my mother. Come. You want to kill my mother? You want to kill my mother? No, you listen to me. Stay warned. This is just a warning. Mother. Listen. Sorry. Okole, stay away from me. Why won't you just let me be? Why?
Ma, you and I know I desire you with my entire being. I just want to love and cherish you.
Do you know what? You are nothing but a pervert. And I'm warning you on this day. Stay away from me. Okole, stay away from me. Leave me alone.
Is there a problem?
Oh, there is no problem. I was only looking for you, so I told her she's the best maiden there is for you in this kingdom. Or is that not so?
Yes, he's saying the truth. Obi.
How dare you? Okay, well, how dare you push my wife down? The queen of this great kingdom.
Father, Queen Utonwa despises me so much. And she takes little thing against me. And she curses me. Father, it was only but a mistake.
How dare you?
And she shows no remorse. Father, this only shows one thing. That she was determined to kill her. My lord, you need to do something to this girl. You need to punish her for what she did. My lord, are you not saying anything, Father?
What would you want me to do to her?
Get the guards to take her to the village square and flog her in front of everybody. That would serve as a deterrent to anyone that thinks of committing such a sacrilege against the queen of the land.
Don't worry, my queen. I will handle her my own way. I will deal with her. Will you leave my presence?
Leave, I said!
And walk like a girl.
If Obiachulu is with the woman I love, And there seems to be nothing I can do about it.
There is all you can do, brother. There is all. But you're scared of him. You're scared of betraying him.
I am not scared of him. I can't be scared of that riffraff. No! Obiajulu is a total failure to this kingdom. Well, he is only blessed by the gods with a good voice, and he sings to impress the women of our kingdom. I am not scared of him. There's nothing else to it aside from that. Nothing, absolutely nothing.
Nothing else?
Nothing, yeah.
But he outshines you, even if you do not accept it. That is what it is. Now listen. You are in good terms with Prince Ikobi. Why not use his influence and take back Ekema?
No. No, Ifeanyi, I am not a weakling. Ekema will come back into my arms. I promise you, brother. She will.
Okay. If you say so.
I can't believe my husband, the lion of Umurutu clan, could defile my orders. It has never happened before. I cannot believe he let her go. He actually let her go.
Mother, that girl is something else. It is as though she has a way of communicating with the gods. She gets virtually everything she wants, everything.
Not while the Black Eagle is still here. She might win today, but tomorrow spells her doom. I would see to that immediately.
Mother, what would you do? I mean, what are you going to do to get her and her miserable mother out of the way? What?
That woman, Mwanya or whatever she's called, she is down where I want her to be. Her light cannot comprehend mine at all. As for that, her daughter, I would destroy her. Agonia. Agonia. What I did to you the other day, you will remove the Ago from your name.
You surprised me. As if you used something on me.
Can I use something on you?
Because I was doing everything I never did.
It's the natural gift that God gave me. Agonia, I removed the Ago from your name. You are long Ketania.
No.
Yes.
No, that is not possible.
Ago.
Does a human being answer Oketa?
You know, if you my female, when you come out, you can answer Agonia.
I hope you do it again this day.
Hey! And I was screaming, Agonia. Hey! Agonia. Oh, get in there, man.
Agonia.
No, Kitania.
So what are you doing?
Do I get you something to eat?
I think I'm
Let me get you mangoes.
No.
You want what?
Apple.
You will not be able to perform the ceremony.
Are you sure? It will rather give me strength.
Your second wife has left. Anything.
Mother, what are you thinking?
We need to get back to the roots. We have to fortify ourselves.
Obina, what is it? Eh? I mean, you brought me out here because you wanted to discuss something with me. But since we got here, you haven't said a word. I hope it's not about your sister, Ele. Hope she's alright.
My sister is okay.
Then what is the problem? Why are you so worried?
Ikem, why can't she love me? Hmm? Why is she rejecting me? Why can't she understand how I feel about her? How much I love her? Why?
Obina, I hope you didn't bring me out here to tell me you're in love. Eh? And if I may ask, who is this special maiden that has taken over my friend's mind?
Ugegbe, of course. Huh? Who else if not Ugegbe?
Oh no!
What is it?
Obina, I asked you before if you're okay, and you told me you're okay.
I'm okay.
And you said you're okay. And I'm asking you again now. Are you sure you're okay?
I don't understand.
I mean, because I don't understand how possible it is for you to fall in love with a fellow man like you.
What are you talking about?
Yes, now!
How can you say I'm in love with a fellow man? Ugegbe is not a man. He's not a man. She's not a man.
Oh, no! Tell me, my friend, how do you explain the fact that the strongest person in Umuturu community and across the neighboring villages is a woman? Eh? How do you also explain the fact that the chief head warrior of our great community is also a woman? Let me tell you, forget she possesses the features of a woman. She's not.
Can you just stop? Stop it!
Listen.
She's not a man.
That is your business. But I am telling you, she's a man. Look, if you like, sit down here and keep thinking of Ugegbe and die here. That is not of my worry. I am living here. But let me warn you, if anything happens to you, if you die here thinking of Ugegbe, don't hold it on anybody. Then as for your sister Ele, don't worry about her. I will take care of her. What is it? Do you want to fight me? I am telling you the truth. You want to sit here thinking of that fellow man like you? I'm only advising you. If you want to die of Ugegbe, I will help you kill yourself.
I called you all here because I want all of you to know we are one family, and I want us to live in peace and love. I want us to set good example to every other family of Morutu Kingdom. Kobe, what is funny?
Everything. Everything is funny, Father. Live as one? In which kingdom? In this kingdom? No. Not in this kingdom.
Kobe, mind your words.
My lord, he speaks the truth. How can there be love and peace in this family when the person that brings discord and disunity in this family is right inside our heart, resting, refusing to be a part of this gathering? How do you explain that?
There shall never be unity in this family, and so shall it be.
Please shut up your mouth, Ikobi. Shut up your mouth. Your words can never be final.
Neither yours.
How dare you?
Hey, shut up. Nobody asked for your opinion.
I need to go rest in my own heart. I'm coming with you, mother.
How I wish I have another son.
What did you just say?
You heard me very clearly, Ikobi.
He said what to you?
Mother, can you imagine? Father said to my face that he wished he had another son.
He actually said that?
Yes, he did. But very soon, I am going to put him in his place. Very soon. Very soon.
Do not worry. I will go on a sojourn. And when I come back, everything will change.
I want to ask you something.
What is it, my friend?
Do you have your eyes on my...
You mean Ekema?
Of course.
Why would you even ask such a question? Well, I do not have my eyes for her.
So, which of the maidens in this kingdom do you have your eyes on?
No one. Well, I am still so much caught up in all, and I am yet to find her heart.
But what are you waiting for? You are growing old.
I suppose you're getting younger. Get back to work.
I just wish we can live in peace and harmony and allow bliss rule.
But they do not want that, Mother.
Yes. The harder we try, the more difficult it becomes.
Mother, forget them. Let us live our own lives. They will never crush us.
Can you hear that?
What is that?
I do not know, Father.
God! Your Majesty.
Go.
Don't worry, I shall go.
Oh, Gebe. Gebe, you're a princess, for goodness sake. You need the guards to protect you.
And when they fail to protect the people, someone has to take her chances. I go, Father.
Ugebe!
She never stops to amaze me with her boldness. Sometimes I wish she was a boy.
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining. Ugonchala chachako, imanaldiye uchafima imananya ugachake.
Go back. Do not tell anyone you followed me to this point.
Ekema, I cannot tell why I love you so much. You mean the world to me. I love you.
I love you too, Obim.
But I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
Last night, I had a dream. And it frightens me. In the dream, I lost you.
You should have told him yes. You are in love with Ekema. Or would you rather die in silence? Brother, tell him the truth.
No, brother. I do not think so.
Why? Well, I can see you are afraid of him. Or do you somehow feel threatened by his presence?
Brother, I am not scared of him.
Then let him see you as a contender than a friend.
Her star outshines mine. My husband has found solace in her arms.
Or you sick?
I want her beauty be destroyed. I want her to tremble and kneel before me.
I'll be back. Ugebo, my daughter.
My father.
We are proud of you. Every day you surprise me with a strength that surpasses every other previous day. I am awestruck and spellbound. We are proud of you.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Your words mean a lot to me. Thank you.
I am going to surprise you with a wonderful gift. I will reward you handsomely.
Thank you, Father.
Your daughter is so grown.
Yes. It's all of yours.
Father, I would like to go to my chambers if you don't mind.
Well,
Mother?
You are free.
Thank you, Father.
You have the freedom.
I'm so proud of her.
She makes us proud. Yes.
Okole, why won't you let me be? Why?
I cannot.
Why?
Oh, don't you remember? Have you forgotten how you gave yourself to me?
I do not know of what you speak of, and I don't care.
Have you forgotten how you mourned and begged for more? I know you wish I came back, and here I am to grant you your little wish. So come to me.
You took advantage of me.
Lies!
Yes, you did. You forced yourself on me. I never wished to have anything to do with you.
Oh, I know you were so scared you couldn't tell anyone because of the shame it will bring to you and your family. Besides, who would even believe you if you say it then?
Leave me alone.
What is going on here? Okon.
Obiajulu, I was just about leaving.
Ekema, why are you in tears?
No, I'm not. Nothing. I'm fine.
Ekema, you are in tears. Please tell me the truth.
What is it? Talk to me. Tell me the truth.
There's nothing to tell you.
Ekemba!
Okay. Do you know that your face glitters just like the 7 crystal rivers of Omorutu Kingdom? Do you know Malicha the goddess will be so jealous of your beauty? Yes. Even the gods will wrestle themselves just to have a glimpse of your body. Kim, you're so beautiful. I love you, Kim. You're my strength. You're my weakness. And I love you so much. Not even the gods can take you away from me.
What if a good number of warriors join forces to compete against you just to be with me?
A Bwomfa, and I will keep fighting them till I kill them all. Okay, no one can take you away from me.
The gods of Umurutu Kingdom understand my affection for you. I love you today. I will love you tomorrow. I will love you every single day of my life. I will love you now, tomorrow, and after life itself.
And I love you too.
Why are you bothered?
But I don't like what is happening in this palace. Ugeme is father's choice. He gives her all his attention and does not even acknowledge me. I feel dejected and abandoned. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Their days are numbered in this palace. I assure you. Just wipe your tears. Where is mother?
She went on a journey. Will soon be back.
What is going on here?
The palace and the kingdom celebrate spaces you gave to my prince.
Stop it! Stop it!
How dare you, Ikobi? How dare you?
How dare you?
You should not give reference to those people who do not have any class of royalty, father. And that is final.
Ikobi, how dare you? How dare you take laws into your hand? Now you parade yourself. You the chick, parade yourself as a hand. Ikobi, why would you take laws into your hand? I'm asking you. Why would you take decisions? Even in the presence of your own father.
How dare you? How dare you?
You don't deserve to be celebrated.
And you deserve to be celebrated.
Now listen to me. I will not have you insult me. You and your mother shall leave the palace.
Says who?
That is not possible.
Says who, I say? Says who, Ikobi? Oh, you have the infantry to tell your father's wife to leave her matrimonial home, right? Ikobi, you are biting more than you can chew. Ikobi, Ikobi! Ikobi! How many times have I called you?
Who do you think you are?
Did you just open your mouth to insult me?
And I will do it again.
How dare you!
Don't even try it! I respect you because of your age, but don't you ever raise your hands on me again! Don't try it.
Did you just warn me?
And I will do it again.
You warned me?
I will do it again.
Guards!
Try it! Try it! And your heads will be rolling on the floor. Try it! I thought as much.
Ikobi, I can see. You are exalting your shoulders as your father's equal. And let me tell you, by the time I look at you, by the time I face you, you will know that you will never be like your father.
Okoli! Obiajulo, I was just there. I am not here to exchange pleasantries. Tell me the truth. What is going on between you and my Ekema?
I beg your pardon.
You heard me correctly. Okoli, what did you do to her that got her crying? Okoli, tell him the truth. The truth? So you are hiding something from me?
There is nothing. Ekema has always been a woman of many emotions.
And how did you know this?
How do I mean...
Okoli, you are lying to me. You are lying to me.
And why should I?
Now listen to me. And listen very carefully. I am going to find out the truth. And if I do find out that you have been lying to me, I promise you, you will regret this. You will regret this. I promise.
What do I do now?
I've told you, brother. You have to fight him. Fight him! Make him your enemy. Take what belongs to you. And this is where he comes in. The prince! Fight him!
My friend.
Princess, how are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, wait. What bothers the strong one?
I am scared.
You. The strong and undaunted one? Stronger than all the warriors of Umoroto is scared. Huh. Do not make me laugh. Please.
Yagazie.
Yes?
Evil lurks around. Darkness looms. And whenever I feel this way, it is usually a bad omen.
My friend, what do you speak of?
Utonwa and her two children, Binyelum and Ikobi.
They want to cause havoc amidst everyone.
Ogebe, how do you mean? How?
My friend, please promise me. Promise me that you will stay away from him. Please.
Why?
Because he does not respect women. Look, he treats them like trash, and my friend, I do not want you to be a victim. Please, my friend, please.
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining.
My prince. Greetings.
See who we have here.
What do you seek, Kobe?
Ugobwe. You are just like a stumbling block. You always stand on my way. Yagazie, the beautiful daughter of Leti Chiobi. Come with me, and immediately.
She goes nowhere.
It's been a while since your father's death. We've not talked. What do you seek, my friend?
My love, Ekema.
Do you have feelings for Ekema?
Exactly, my prince. But there is someone who stands on the way.
Who could that be?
My prince, it's Obiajulo. He has succeeded in taking her away from me and made her his. He uses the bond of friendship we shared to take advantage of everything.
So what do you want?
I want to have Ekema back in my arms, for this is where she belongs.
If that is what you want, then it's no problem. Guard!
Yes, my friend.
Summon Ekema.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you, my prince. You have restored my brother's hope again.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining. Ugo chala chachago, imana diye kuchafi my mananya ugacha. Miri marugo, okwayasa sirugaru. No competition in destiny. God bless no man can God. Una fulo mwachi tere manu, mwachi tere manu. Webu mwachi tere manu, mwachi tere manu.
You have come to the end of the road. I will quench your fire. You and your daughter will be cast because knowledge.
No matter what you do, you cannot stop the sun from shining. Ugo chala chachago, imana diye uchafima, mananya ugachake.
Mwanya. 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 You have trampled upon me for too long. You have taken away the essence of my existence. My husband. Ever since you stepped your feet into this palace, I have known no peace. You have overshadowed me. You have taken everything from me. But today, I pray the darkness shall enshroud you. Your day shall become dark. Your day shall be night. Your beauty that you used and you're still using to hold my husband will be no more. Mwanya. Mwanya. Your days are numbered.
Are you tired already?
No, the rest for a while.
Oh yeah, catch your breath, catch your breath. Catch your breath. Oh, yeah. Good. So, did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
The way you shake your waist, it's magical. In fact, you are the best dancer in this kingdom. I am telling you.
Thank you, Obi.
I have learned to live with. What is it?
The prince requests her presence now.
What for?
Ekema, the prince wants to see you now.
She's going nowhere.
Obi, I'll be back soon. Let me just go.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now,
come on.
I have gone there and back, but I wasn't allowed entrance.
Obiajelo, I told you, but you would not listen. I told you what you should be scared about, not me.
What are you trying to say?
Obiajelo, you and I know that once the prince decides, nothing changes.
And what has the prince's decision have to do with this? maybe, just maybe, his eyes have fallen for her.
Lies! Lies!
Obiajulu, will not allow that.
Obiajulu, if the prince decides to marry Kemma, what will you do about it? Fight him?
I will crush, break bones. I will destroy anyone who dares to take my Ikema from me. And I mean anyone.
What am I hearing? I heard you're walking around with son of nobody. Is that true?
My heart beats for him, my prince.
Your heart cannot beat for a wretched and a pauper. Henceforth, I ban you from seeing him. It will not happen over my dead body. You opened your mouth to challenge me, Obiajulu. How dare you?
Ikema is mine, and mine alone.
My prince. Go on your knees now. On your knees!
On your knees.
Father.
Okoli, my friend, I can't believe the king himself warned me to stay away from my king. The prince, I could understand. But the king, I have never seen him this stern. It was as though it wasn't him.
But it was him. Did the prince make mention of anything?
Anything like what?
I mean, anything, as in any reason why he wants you to be away from Ekema.
Of course not. But it's obvious. Yes. He has his eyes on her. Or could there be another reason?
No. It could be true that the prince has his eyes on her, and that's enough reason for you to at least stay away from Ekema.
Ha! Never! It will not happen. Never!
Greetings, mother.
You look worried. Is there a problem?
Problem? There is no problem. I am just very curious.
Curious? Curious about what?
What have you done to father that he suddenly wants to get involved in everything that concerns me?
Everything that is our entitlement must come to us. You see, I have your father at the tip of my fingers. We must get everything.
Mama. Eat. Let me attend to other things, okay?
Thank you, Mother.
Ogewe, I am sorry, but... But what? Mother! Hey! How dare you? You caused it. I am sorry. I caused it. You even have the guts to lie against me. You poor pasturican barren woman.
Hey! Watch your mouth, young lady. I will not have you insult my friend.
Oh, really? Okay, watch me. Mama! My legs! I'm infected! What happened? Mother! What happened? Someone pushed me down! You are such a grievous liar!
What is causing this disunity?
My brother! This woman pushed your sister down. And I am sure, on the order of these two.
She is a pathetic liar.
Mother, leave them. They are all the same.
Amudo,
My prince.
you're hereby banned from visiting this palace.
Good.
And so shall it be. God! My prince, take her out of my sight.
And shut that mouth.
Mother! It hurts. Yes. Sorry. Thank you. Come, princess. Yes, mother. It's painful. Yes. I understand. We can. Easy. Okay. You're making me cry. Don't cry, mother. Don't cry. Mother, I was this close. I tell you, I was very close. But that woman, That wretched woman would never step her feet into the palace again. To be true. Do not worry. When the time is right, we will conquer them. I placed a curse on them, and that curse shall come to pass. Gebe, how do you mean?
I am very sure something went wrong. Omudo was shrouded in fear. It was as though she saw something, but she was scared to speak forth. I must go. I must go and meet her and ask her what it was she saw.
Please be careful.
I must go.
Be careful.
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining. Who go
Greetings, Omudo. Ugegbe, the strong and undaunted one. What brings you my way?
I was actually coming to your farm. Please, I want to ask. What was it you saw yesterday? Pushing the clay is not just a mere coincidence. Please tell me, what did you see yesterday?
Nothing. I see nothing.
You have been close to my mother and myself. You have been her only friend. Please, tell me the truth. What did you see?
Because she attempted poisoning you. I saw her.
Who do you speak of? Please tell me, who do you speak of?
Be alone. She tried killing you. That was why I stopped her.
And I shall go confront her.
No! Okay, wait, please. Please, if you do that, my head will go for this. I beg of you, do not confront her, please.
Do not worry. I shall confront her.
Ugegbe! Ugegbe, please! Ugegbe!
You may not understand.
I may not understand? Ikemba. My love. What is it that eats you so deep? Talk to me.
The truth is that
I will not allow you or anyone take her away from me again.
Her presence is needed before the throne. And if you do not want the wrath of the king, then let her come with me now.
Ikemba. Ikemba. Move.
No, she will not listen.
Ekenma! Move.
Brother.
Yes.
What are you celebrating?
Hey, fine. Today, I take what rightfully belongs to me.
Ikemba?
Yes, Ikemba. Today, Ikemba becomes mine, and mine alone. And anyone who dares to contend her with me shall face the other side of my wrath.
Eh? Ikemba?
Why not tell me I look good?
You look good.
The finest of them all.
I can see.
My children, I called you here for us to begin to see ourselves as one entity, one family, one indivisible family. Let us learn to live in love, so that we be a good example to other families outside there. Have I made myself clear? Son.
Yes, Father.
What is it you desire of me?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my son. Have you found her?
No, father. This maiden here and my friend Okoli have been together. Not until Obiajulu, the son of late, infamous Wine Tapa, came with affection. Father, please, as a son of this kingdom, Omoroto, I want you to join them as they get prepared to marry.
Is that all?
Yes, father.
Son, consider it done.
Obiajulu! This when you are screaming my name, I hope there is no problem. I wish everything was. Do you know what? What? Your friend, I mean your closest friend, Okoli, my brother, has taken everything you hold so dearly.
Everything I hold so dearly? What do you mean by that?
Your woman, the song of your heart, Ekemma, will become his from this day henceforth. What are you saying? You still do not get it.
Explain more, please.
Okay, let me break it down. Okoli's eyes has always been on Ekemma. I warned him, oh. It's not as if I didn't warn him. I warned him, but he wouldn't listen. Now they are there in the palace, about to become one. At the palace? Yes!
Okoli, my friend, betray me?
No! No! Obiajulu! Obiajulu!
My king, I cannot accept him. I cannot be with him. I do not love him. I'm in love with someone else.
How dare you? How dare you talk about love? What do you know about love?
Now listen to me, and listen very good. It is either you accept him, or I have you beheaded.
Speak out!
My king, I shall accept him.
Better.
Let me in.
Let me in! Get out of here now. Get out!
Let him in or you will face the burning wrath of Ukebe.
Which father can you not see? Can you not see that she's the carrier of misfortune? For the very first time, my father, the very first time in a long while, the very first time we're having a swell time as a family, here comes the witch.
You are the witch. You are the witch.
Stop! Stop it. Guards, let him in.
Father, since when did you become an arrogant king? Your reign has never been known to be of pride.
Anger and unfairness. Father, you are the king. You are my father. Please, let her follow the person her heart desires. You cannot allow her marry who she does not love.
Gebe, my daughter, you always amaze me.
No, father. She has nothing but ruin to bring to this kingdom.
Inyalum,
Father.
she is right.
Thank you, Father.
Ekemma,
My king.
go. Go to your heart desire.
Thank you, my
Thank
king.
you, my king.
Thank you.
Hey.
You dare me, Binyalum. You dare me. How dare you?
You still have the guts to come here to challenge me. Are you mad?
You even went as far as trying to poison me and kill me.
It shall never be well with you. You witch! Don't you ever raise your hands on me again. Let me go. I will not. What will you do? You wicked witch! This is what you are. It shall never be well with you.
You have bitten more than you can chew. But now, I am going to stop you.
Who would stop me?
God!
I wonder why that non-entity always seems to get her way. Every time she speaks to my lord, she weakens him. I curse her. I curse her. She will forever remain the remnant of the earth.
And remnants shall you and your household remain for the rest of your lives. How dare you place a curse on me? Otongwa, with the same pronouncements you have made on my daughter and I curse you today.
Oh. Wanya, you are desolate and abandoned. Today I curse you. You will forever be desolate. Desolate defines you.
Look who is cursing. Tongwa, you are nothing but poison. But I am light. I shine even in darkness. Utongwa, darkness cannot even curse me. Oh, go ahead. Try it. And that hand will wither. Try it.
How dare you? How dare you?
Try it.
What has come over you? You lost woman.
What did you just call me?
Lost woman.
Shut up.
You slapped me?
You slapped him?
God!
My prince.
Take her. Come find her. Till I make my final decision.
Don't touch me. You can confine me, but you cannot break me.
Desolate. Desolate, that is what you are. She slapped you.
Very well.
I heard the sound twine.
Okoli! 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 Okoli, how could you do this to me? How could you do this to me?
That is because I have loved her long before you even considered in your heart.
You are wrong.
The love I have for her grew stronger and further than anything you think you have for her.
Okoli, once again, you are wrong. You are wrong. No one can love her, cherish her, protect her, provide for her more than me.
But I ravished her. I even made her beg for some more. She lied to you. She lied to you that she was untouched. She has always been mine, and that's why she trembles every time, just at my side.
You did nothing but rape her. Gods! I just realized how much hatred, how much evil, the number of demons contained in you. You are filled with grief. You are not a strong man. You are a weakling. You have no balls. The cord of friendship that ever existed between us, the brotherhood that ever kept us together, ceased to exist from this day.
I thought you were walking away already.
Nobody would take my luck. As I tie this to this tree stump, my husband, Agunaya, shall love me and my children alone. Mwanya, you dared me. I shall deal with you. I give you 7 days, and you shall be dead. And as for that, your daughter, no matter her luck, her strength, her gift, inherited or acquired, I will destroy her. In 7 days, she will go blind. So I have spoken. So the gods would stand by me. I must put an end to whatever thing you have done here. It shall not work. Whatever thing you have done here, be it upon a commoner, upon a royal family, upon a stranger, it will not work. I, Omudo, a native of Umurut Kingdom, I destroy you. I destroy whatever it will be. I destroy it. Shall not work for you, evil woman.
Ugobe! 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 Ugebe! You are indeed mysterious. She even refused having mates. Where could she be? Ugebe!
Yagazie. Why are you trembling? And what do you seek? Come on, speak forth.
My prince, I'm in search of my friend Ugebe.
She's indisposed for the time being. You may need to go now and come back some other time.
Okay, my prince.
Why are you so scared? And so much in a haste to leave my presence?
My prince.
You're trying to be cautious of what your friend, my insolent sister, told you about me. Isn't it?
No, my prince, no.
Then what is it?
My lord, I made your favorite dish, pounded yam with bitter leaf soup, filled with dry fish and antelope meat.
Where is Ugebe, my jewel? Where is Ugebe, my jewel, and the Mwanya? Sometimes it surprises me how you hold me spellbound. And it always takes me time before I can realize myself.
My lord, what you're saying is totally...
I asked you a question. Where are my jewels?
Father, why are you so insensitive?
Get out from my presence now. Get out!
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining.
Mother, I'll be in my hut.
What if he tries to harm us? What are we going to do?
There are no what ifs, Ekema. It is you and I, alone.
Then we have to be very careful in this kingdom.
Don't bother about that. We will be fine. come into my arms and find peace.
Oma Udo, my friend, my defender, I want to thank you for being there for me. Both of us have crossed a lot of hurdles, remember?
Mwanya, my friend. First, thank you very much for convincing your husband, the great lion, to reverse the banishment on me from coming into the palace. You know, you are a great woman. A woman with a good heart.
Thank you.
There are so many people that want to destroy you, but they are scared of the light in you.
Amudo, what are you talking about?
There's only one person who wants to kill you, and that person is very close to you.
Amudo?
Yes. I saw her go into the bush near the stream, tying an ancient cloth, making some pronouncements. I can swear to you, she was casting a spell on you.
Nobody would take my luck. As I tie this to this tree stump, my husband, Agonaya, shall love me and my children alone. Mwanya, you dared me. I shall deal with you. I give you 7 days, and you shall be dead. And as for that, your daughter, no matter her luck, her strength, her gift, inherited or acquired, I will destroy her. In 7 days, she will go blind. So I have spoken.
Otonwa.
Yes. When she came out, I went there and destroyed everything. I destroyed it.
What are you saying, Okoli?
You heard me right. There is no other option.
You want to take a life? That is an abomination, Okoli. And the gods will not spare your life.
My life? Ours. Our lives.
May the gods forbid it. Count me out. Count me out.
One thing is certain. I am not doing it alone. You're always with me.
I cannot and I will never have my throne mocked. I have to make preparations. So when I'm called, when my time is up, I will go in peace. Though I know my time is still far. As you can see, I am still hale and hearty. But then, I called you all here now to pass a very, very important information to you. Ikobi.
Yes, Father.
I have decided that due to your incompetence, that you can never wear my crown.
Igwe. Father, what did you just say?
You heard me clearly.
I know you must be joking. Aren't you? Igwe, Ikobi is your only son, the heir to the throne.
And that is my word. And my word is my bond. I shall reach you for further information, if need be. Meanwhile, as I said, Ikobi will never ascend this throne.
I see. I see.
Ifeanyi, I think we need to move a little bit more closer. Okoli, what if there is no what if? This is a debt his father owed our father that he never got to pay. Remember that our farmland they took from us. They still farm on it till today and they claim it belongs to them. Obiajulu has always spied us.
But Obiajulu is your friend. He's your friend.
He is never my friend. All the things he did to spite me. Today I must take my revenge.
Okoli.
Don't Okoli me. Don't Okoli me. If you are not with me on this one, you better go back. Let me know I am in this all alone.
Wait.
That was awesome.
You like it?
Yes. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. You know what? It took me days to practice this song just for you. And I'm so happy you love it.
I shall be on my way now. Oh, come and help me.
Okay.
Are you okay now?
Yes. Come with me. Then we shall return together.
Ekema, let me be here and wait for you. And stare into nature's beauty while I compose new songs for you. Okay? Be careful the water.
Oh.
Okay?
Otonwa, the daring viper.
Takatuku, 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 taka. What brings you here?
I want you to destroy Ugebwe. I want you to kill her. Send her 6 feet into the ground. I do not want her anywhere near the king.
Takatuku, taka, tuku, taka. Ugebwe is a rare child.
I don't care if she's rare. I need you to deal with her. She's the only thing that gives Mwanya pleasure and peace. I need you to block her.
It is not possible. Your plots has been brought to naught. There is nothing else I can do to help you. Now you have to go and look for another way to destroy her. I can't help you again. Go now.
I am the only heir to this throne. And no one, absolutely no one, will stop that. Not even you, father.
You dare me? It could be you dare me!
It has always been that way. And so be it.
Ikobi, please. You have to calm down.
No one will stop me. No one.
No,
Ibeh.
You can say my reason for denying him the throne. But we shall see.
Time is nigh.
Time for what?
Mother, what do you speak of?
Amaka, my friend, this kingdom is turning into something else, and I don't think we're safe anymore.
This one will know whose daughter is talking like this. That means there is more to it. What happened?
The king told my father in the presence of the prince that after his reign, never should Prince Ikobi reign. According to my father, the anger on his face is enough to destroy this kingdom.
But why would the king say something like that?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Please, this is a very big secret my father confided in me, and I'm confiding in you. Let's go to my house. Let me show you that thing I promised you. I told you about.
I'm sorry, my friend. You see, I'm going to the palace to see Adana. She said she has something to tell me. But don't worry. When I finish with her, I'll come and see you. Hmm?
Okay, don't worry. I'll come to your place instead.
Okay.
It has been a while I visited you.
No problem. Let me run along.
Alright.
You need to think about this thing one more time. Please. What if the god strikes us dead? Or strike any of us? The other will forever live in regret. Please don't do this. Don't do it.
Ifeanyi, listen to me and listen very well. I do not hear whatever you say. This is the moment I have been waiting for my whole life, and nothing can stop me from doing this.
Ugebe, my friend, your strength is not of a woman. For you fight with the strength of 10 warriors put together.
That does not bother me, Yagazi. Something else does.
What is it that bothers the great and fearless Ugebe of Umurutu Kingdom? The one who does not regard royalty or social status as anything before she makes friends.
And do not flatter me, Yagazi. The palace is in a heated crisis and something needs to be done.
Something?
I have decided on something.
Ugebe, what have you decided on?
Come with me.
Why are you crying? Amaka? Amaka? Well, whatever the case may be, my friend Dikeh will take care of her. Okay?
Amaka! Amaka! Amaka, I'm here. Doesn't mean she's not back. Amaka! Gods of our land!
Amaka, please wake up. Amaka, please wake up. Wake up. Please. Don't do this to me. Don't leave me. Don't.
Father.
Binyelum.
Father.
It is quite surprising that you are serving me food today. How possible has this been? It stuns me.
Father, maybe one day you get to give me the affection you used to show me. You do not acknowledge me at all.
Binyalum,
Father.
all I want is peace between your mother and the Moanya.
Oh, I understand.
See, I want us to live in peace and harmony. No one knows when the Green River beckons.
Exactly, Father.
This is well prepared.
I took my time. Father, are you okay? Father?
Yes.
Eat.
Yeah. I'm not feeling too fine.
Why? How? What is wrong?
Please call me.
Father.
Go and call me. Go and call.
Who?
My king. Sojourn to the land beyond and never come back. Your time is up.
You! Your words are powerless. Go well, Father.
Ikobi.
Yes, Father.
I have decided that due to your incompetence, that you can never wear my crown.
Igwe. Father, what did you just say?
You heard me clearly.
I know you must be joking. Aren't you?
Igwe, Ikobi is your only son, the heir to the throne.
And that is my word. And my word is my bond. I shall reach you for further information, if need be. Meanwhile, as I said, Ikobi will never ascend this throne.
Your words are powerless. Go well, Father. It is my time to rule.
Let's help. Father, let's help you so you die in peace. Eh? Die in peace, eh? Come. Slowly, Father. Just lie here.
It is my time to rule.
Obi! Obi! Obi Atolo! Obi! Obi, what's up? It's me, Obi! Obi Atolo! Somebody help me! Obi, wake up! Stop this now! I don't like this kind of jokes! Obi! Obi!
Dead men tell no tales.
it was you, Okole.
Yes, it has always been me, Ekema. I begged for your love, but what did you do? You chose him over me.
How could you? Okole, how could you conceive such evil in your hearts to kill and take the life of an innocent man?
You all are evil. You are responsible for my father's death.
Shut up! If I shut your mouth with a slap.
The king is dead. Everything has changed. My son, Ikobi, is the king.
Ikobi can never ascend the throne. Never.
I am already there. I need no coronation. I am the new king of Umurutu. And no one can stop that. No one! No one!
All hail the new king of Umurutu clan. Ibeh! No way. No way. Impossible.
Onye! I'm coming. Hey! Ukebe! You came back again? Did you forget anything?
You look worried. What is it? I just got back to the palace, only to find my father, the king, dead.
Chima! The king is dead! How?
I don't have time. I think Otonwa is planning to make Ikobi king without the elders backing her up. My mother and I are no longer safe. If what I'm thinking happens, I would need you to do me a favor. Listen to me. I would need you to do me a favor.
But my friend, who could that be?
I have her all to myself now.
Yet we are still hiding here. If you are so free and happy, why do you not take her and move freely? Because of a woman who would never love you. Look at what you've done. You took the life of an innocent man, your friend.
If not as if you are a saint. So what are you trying to do? I shall back out. You dare notify. You are so rubbed into this, and this shall be our little secret forever. Well, for his body, I already buried the surface of the earth. So what are you trying to do?
I shall back out.
You dare notify. You are so rubbed into this, and this shall be our little secret forever. Well, for his body, I already buried beneath the surface of the earth.
I'm roped into this, you said?
Yes, of course.
No, I don't think so.
And where do you think you're going?
I cannot hold this any longer. I'm going straight to the palace to report.
Oh, I wish you well, my good brother.
Freely, because of a woman who would never love you. Look at what you've done. You took the life of an innocent man, your friend.
If I, not as if you are a saint. So what are you trying to do?
I shall back out!
You dare notify. You are so roped into this, and this shall be our little secret forever. Well, for his body, I already buried beneath the surface of the earth.
I'm roped into this, you said?
Yes, of course.
No, I don't think so.
And where do you think you're going?
I cannot hold this any longer. I'm going straight to the palace to report.
Oh, I wish you well, my good brother.
Ikem, don't you think the king's death is not natural? I mean, he was never sick, and all of a sudden we heard that he's dead. What could have killed him? Think about it.
Obina, if you ask me, who will I ask? I am even as surprised as you are. But what still baffles me is why Queen Otunwa refused Ajaike entrance into the king's chambers to check the cause of his death. Claiming that Zumezu confirmed that the king died a natural death. Can you imagine that?
Something tells me that when Otunwa has something to do with king's death.
Oh, yes!
I, Obina, said it.
Obina! How can you say such words in public? And don't forget, that woman is not ordinary.
Who cares? Who cares? I don't care. It's better that I, Obina, dies instead of being under the rulership of that tyrant of a queen.
Hey!
Yes!
Obina, Anna, I will not be a part of this discussion with you. Anna,
where are you going?
I am going home.
Well, I've always known you as a weakling, a coward.
Thank you very much.
I've always told you, but you never believed me.
Yagazie, please tell me he forced you. Please.
No. It is my choice to be the prince's bride and also be attached to royalty.
How could you do this to me? How could you betray the essence of our friendship? Can't you see? Yagazie, open your eyes. Ikobi has a plot to destroy this kingdom.
I'm sorry, Ogebe. I refuse to listen to your words. I am sorry.
Henceforth, I shall rule this kingdom. And so shall it be with the beautiful Nyagazie.
As the Lord of this kingdom, I banish the so-called second queen of the kingdom, together with her daughter, Okewe. You shall leave the palace, go to some faraway kingdom and settle in a hut, alone, in poverty. And don't you ever step your foot or feet on the soil ever again.
Guards!
Your Majesty.
Take them away.
Don't come closer.
Take them away!
We'll leave. Take our leave. Hey! Stop there. Before they go anywhere. You strip them of everything royal in them.
Good.
I wouldn't want to see naked people, else it would have been done here. Nyalam,
Mother,
you've eyed that insect. Go get it.
Thank you. I want to help you. Let me help you. Excuse me.
Strip them of everything before they leave the kingdom.
Yes, my queen.
Out! Out!
Please, can we move?
A girl can never be a boy. If you like, carry all the knives, all the arrows. They are nothing. Nothing. Now who is in charge here? You. Who is in charge now? On your knees.
Your Majesty.
Who is in charge here? Who is in charge here? Who is in charge?
We're alone. I have been rendered desolate and wretched. I am no longer royalty. I'm in ruins.
Mother, don't say that, okay? I am here for you. And when I say I am here for you, we are going to fight this battle together. We are going to shine. Okay?
Your strength astonishes me. You are power defined. What would I have done without you?
Utonwa and her cohorts plotted this. But guess what? We are going to win this battle. Everyone that supported her through this, they are all going to pay. I promise her, they will pay.
Now that the undaunted one has been banished alongside her mother, don't you think it's time we the youth protest against that tyrant of a king?
Obina, what is your problem again? Obina, how many times have I warned you to take things easy? But you won't heed to my advice. What is wrong with you?
Ikeme, don't understand. I am telling you this because I'm not happy.
Obina, if anyone needs to be angry right now, it should be me.
How do you mean?
Obina, that wicked King Ikobi killed my Amaka.
What?
Yes!
Boss of our land. I don't understand. So that tyrant of a king killed Amaka, and you, my friend, never deemed it right to tell me. Oh. Wait. Who told you this? How did you find out?
Adanna told me that Amaka visited her in the palace. And why they were discussing. That wicked king surfaced. And minutes later, a guard came requesting that Amaka should see the king. So tell me, who else would have killed my Amaka? Who else?
Then I ask you, Kem, till when? Till when do we have to wait unto the gods before we act?
Is it when all of us in this land have become their prey?
Is that when we have to act? Or don't you think Amaka's spirit would be very angry wherever she is? Don't you think so? Ikem, if you are man enough, Ikem, act like one.
I am a man, Obinna.
They act like one.
I am a man, Obinna. I am not like you. I will not take laws into my own hands.
You lie. That's the word of a coward. Oh yes!
Yagaze, I always held you on a high esteem. But you never gave me the chance because of a friend.
Ugebe.
Please, do not mention that name here. Please.
I'm sorry, my lord. I'm sorry.
And you don't have to feel guilty or think that you betray her. No, you did not. You followed your heart. Yes. I want to promise you, henceforth, I promise to always love you, and I will never look at any other woman except you.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why has the mountain so fallen?
Ngozi, why are you laughing, if I may ask?
I thought you were the strongest of them all, Ugebe. This is how you've ended up. Clothed in shame and misery.
I do not have words for you.
Where is the strength of thy heart? Where is the power you exude? Fight. Ugebe, fight! For this battle may swallow you if you don't fight. Ngozi!
That was not Ngozi. That was a spirit.
This is a curse. It is a curse. Otonwa, what did I ever do to you? Why did you strip me of everything? Where is my light? Where is my glory? Otonwa! Otonwa! No! Okay, boy. not see the light. Utonwa.
Mother, please don't say such words. Please.
Utonwa. Ah, Utonwa.
She will be weeping and gnashing of her teeth right now. She took away the essence of my existence. I am so happy dealing with her.
No. No one dares decree to Tom.
You know your mother.
I know you.
I cursed her. And that curse is what is taking place now. I have dreamed of the day I would get her out from the palace. I loved your father.
I know.
He gave me no option.
Mother, I cannot find the crown.
What do you mean? You cannot find the crown?
Okay, boy.
Mother.
You are a mystery.
I am happy you are strong now. I cannot afford to lose you.
You shall not lose me, my child. So where are you going?
I am going to the palace to set everything straight.
Okay, boy. The journey before you is a dangerous one. So be careful.
Mother, I am not afraid. I am Ugiwe. I am calm when the storm sits, and when the storm vents, my wrath shows forth. And this very minute, I am going back to my father's house to reclaim what is rightfully ours. Else I am not Ugiwe. I shall go now, Mother.
I cannot but wonder where her strength comes from.
No competition in destiny. God bless no man can
What are you doing here? Have I not warned you never to step your foot in this compound?
Now you listen. This is my father's compound, and it belongs to me as well. I have come to tell you that your reign shall be relinquished.
Oh, it's you. It's you who took the crown.
The crown? You have not even started ruling, and you're looking for the crown. Can you not see? Can you not see that the gods are angry with you?
If you don't bring that crown out,
the god! You do what? Dare me! Dare me! Just come closer! I will slay anyone who comes close. And you, Yagazi, you broke the cord of friendship because of your selfish interest.
So you took...
Don't you try it! Come close.
Please, let me go. I promise I will not tell anyone about this. Please.
Shut your mouth up. Because of you, I have killed 2 people. My only brother Ifeanyi, and Obiachulu, the one who antagonized me and stood on my way.
Papa, you didn't kill them because of me. You killed them.
Shut your mouth up!
You will come with me today. You will see me at the end of the street.
Bring me down, oh! Bring me down!
Hold it!
Who are you? And why are you standing on my way? Speak forth!
The evil that men do is with them. So shall you roam the evil forest blind. Call it out! For the evil you have committed in the land of Umurutu, I curse you and send you into the forest. Leave! But love in eternal anguish. Now go forth!
What? I can't see!
Osisi. Osisi. The watcher of the evil forest. Is this you?
Mwanya, we meet again. And the time has come for you to know the truth.
What truth?
You wonder why your daughter, Ugogwe, the undaunted one, expiates the strength of 1,000 warriors. And today, you shall know the truth.
Hey, Mwanya. Hey, I miss you. I miss you a lot. Eh? Since your mother was banished so many years ago, I never set my eyes on you. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, Agunaya. It's me.
Welcome, eh?
You shall not give any attention to any other woman, Agunaya. Mwanya. You're welcome into this palace.
There is no need to worry, for she is pregnant.
Hey! May the gods be praised.
Kata kutu kata kata kutu kata.
That woman outshines me. Her beauty I cannot compete with. She threatens my very existence in the palace.
Utawa, what part threatens you?
Her light. Her light shines so bright. It keeps me shivering. It puts me on bended knees. Help me. Please.
Takakuta takatuka takatukata. I will help you.
Mwanya. Mwanya. As these candles blow away, so shall your beauty fade and be wasted. As for that child you carry in your womb, that child is cursed. That child will not be delivered in 9 months. You will carry that child for years, until the day you breathe your last. As for your beauty, Mwanya, your beauty will become like a beast. You will have the face of a beast. The king will not be able to look at your face again. You would look like a monster. Your beauty will be wasted. Your beauty will be wasted. Anyone that lays their eyes on you will run. And then the king will turn his attention to my family and I. You are cursed, Mwanya. You are cursed. As I have spoken, so shall it be.
Mwanya? Mwanya? This is already 1 year. Already 1 year! And you are still not showing any sign.
My king, I don't know. It bothers me too.
It bothers you indeed. I doubt it. I doubt it. Or there is still something you are not telling me.
My king.
Stop calling me a king. Stop it. Put forth to bed. That is what every other woman does. Do it. Do it.
Takakuta takatuka takatuka tuka. Your Highness, Mwanya here is a cursed one. She's carrying a curse from her generation. That is why she's still carrying that pregnancy.
Said it, my lord, but you wouldn't listen.
You brought in a cursed woman into this kingdom to embarrass your reign. I mean, when was it heard in history that a member of the royal household found it difficult to put to bed when the baby is due?
I am not cursed.
Then put to bed, Mwanya. Put to bed. Mwa. Maybe she had too much water to drink.
My king, I shall give birth to this child. This is just a passing phase. My king, please don't abandon me. Don't leave. What have I done? What have I done that plunges me deeper into misery and pain? Anguish has become my companion. What have I done? Am I really cursed? Is this a curse I have to live with? Or is someone behind my predicament? Or could this be a mistake of accepting to marry the one whom fate took away from me? Why can't I just have a child like every other woman?
Mwanya, my friend, why are you moody? What takes away smile from your face? You don't need to tell me anything. I know it. And that is why I have come with a solution.
A solution?
Yes.
Please tell me.
In the dark and evil forest, there lives a woman called Uzizi. If only you can go there, your problem will be solved. My late father journeyed there so many years ago in search of a truth. Uzizi has existed for so many years and never dies. She is the immortal one. But my friend, no woman has ever journeyed there. It is only the men, the strong and the courageous men and the warriors go there. No woman has ever gone there and comes back the same.
I shall go.
No. If you will go there, you will have to go with a warrior who is willing to go with you.
I don't care. I shall go there.
You might not come back the same.
Let the gods kill me if they deem fit.
Eh?
Yes.
Mwanya, where are you going?
I am taking a journey to meet someone.
A journey? In this your cursed and miserable state?
You are mistaken, my king. This will also pass away, I believe.
You've come in search of me, but be warned, there shall be grievous consequences.
Uzizi the Great One, I don't care. Please help me.
Eat it when you get to your land. That leaves of ages, shall break the spell, and you shall give birth to your child. Be warned! There shall be grievous consequences. For no woman tarry the land of Black Forest and leaves the same. You can go.
Mwanya, where have you been? I've been worried about you.
You worried about me? Otonwa, please, don't make me laugh.
I am a woman. I understand how you feel. Confused, desolate, shrouded in pain and guilt.
I will not give you the pleasure of bringing me down.
Excuse me, bringing you down? You're already down. Can't you see where you are? It takes a woman to give birth without hurdles. Amosu. That is what you are. Let me get out of here before you put your claws on me. Amosu. Nenia, you've eaten the baby in your womb. Don't drop one tear. Wait. Please. You fly around morning, afternoon and night. Don't you get tired? Wait.
Your Highness.
Yes.
You know, when our son Ikobi becomes the next king, I'm sure he's going to bring in a lot of changes that will be beneficial to this kingdom.
I believe so. But only if he can give me a listening ear. Yes. What is it?
Your queen has just given birth to a beautiful goddess.
What?
She
My
has
wife has
arrived.
delivered?
Yes.
Take me to her! Take me
Not
to her!
right.
I am coming. I'm coming. Soon I'm coming.
No. It's not possible. It's not possible. How can she give birth? I tried my possible best. Sumezu, you're a failure. What should I do next?
And that is not all. On your way to the forest of black secrets, you were possessed by forces of men. Because you are having a child, they had pity on you and possessed your child with their endless strength. They were going to turn her into a male, a fearless one, all through the land of Umurutu. But it was late. And that was their torment. You paid the debt unknowingly. Now, go back and reclaim your stolen glory. Your daughter shall ascend the throne.
Ozizi, a woman ascending the throne?
She must ascend the throne in order for Umurutu Kingdom not to remain desolate and abandoned. She must ascend the throne for Ikobi's reign will bring calamity. Calamity upon the kingdom of Umurutu.
The undaunted one. Nobody dares with me. And if you dare with me, you will receive the wrath of Ugebe.
Dikeh, my friend.
So, tell me, how did it go?
Obinna, do you know I would have been a dead man by now? If not that Ugebe intervened. All thanks to your friendly advice.
Wait, does that imply mission failed?
Yes, its mission failed. Maybe by now I would have been hung in the evil forest. All thanks to your friendly advice. Listen, let this be the first and the last time. Anything that concerns murdering King Ikobi, count me out of it, because I will not be a part of it. Leave this fight for the gods and Ugebe to handle.
Did you say Ugebe? I mean, you want to tell me that Ugebe is back in this land? My love is back. Hey!
Yeah.
God of my land! My love is back! Ugebe is back! Ikem, my love is back.
Are you okay?
Ugebe is back! Ugebe is back! My love is back! My love is back!
Unafuru mwachitere mano ukokwepu mwachitere mano.
My love, this was the last place we met before they decided to take you away from me. Why is this world full of the wicked? Why?
Obiajuno, I can see you both are having a good time. Remember, we have to go check our traps. At least to see if we get some bushmeat today.
Oh. That is true. But you know what? I'll come after you. Just go, eh? Go. I'll meet you there. Just go.
It will be best we go together.
Before you will say I have removed the meat. You will say I have removed the meat. Let us go. He will say I know him. He will say I have removed the bush meat from the trap. Let us go. Let us go.
Okay. I'll be waiting. What if he tries to harm us? What are we going to do?
There are no what ifs, Ekema. It is you and I alone.
Then we have to be very careful in this kingdom.
Don't bother about that. We will be fine.
come into my arms and find peace.
That was awesome.
You like it?
Yes. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. You know what? It took me days to practice this song just for you. And I'm so happy you love it.
I shall be on my way now.
Oh, come and help me.
Okay.
Are you okay now?
Yes. Come with me. Then we shall return together.
Ekema. Let me be here and wait for you. And stare into nature's beauty while I compose new songs for you. Okay?
Be careful the water.
Oh.
Okay.
Girl is back to the palace. Zumezu says he knows nothing of the whereabouts of the crown. Okay, but doesn't have it.
Where could it be, mother? Where?
I do not know. I am scared of what might come out of it.
If the lioness is scared, what does she expect of her cub?
I will take care of everything. But how I am going to do it, I do not fathom.
Mbagurum jala jeleja. Mbagurum jala jeleja. Mbagurum jala jeleja.
I ask you a question. How dare you desecrate my kingdom?
It has never been recorded in history. But today I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me. Yagazi, please.
Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja.
Yakasi.
Mwagurum jala jeleja.
So you! You connived with her?
Just the way you connived with your mother and your sister. You killed the king and took his crown.
Binyelum.
Father.
It is quite surprising that you are serving me food today. How possible has this been? It stuns me.
Father, maybe one day you get to give me the affection you used to show me. You do not acknowledge me at all.
Binyelum.
Father.
All I want is peace between your mother and the Moanya.
Oh, I understand.
See, I want us to live in peace and harmony. No one knows when the Green River beckons.
Exactly, Father.
This is well prepared.
I took my time. Father, are you okay? Father?
Yes, yes.
Eat.
I'm not feeling too fine.
Why? How? What is wrong?
No, so, please call me.
Father.
Go and call me. Go and call.
Who? My king. Sojourn to the land beyond and never come back. Your time is up.
You! Your words are powerless. Go well, Father. It is my time to rule.
Let's help. Father, let's help you so you die in peace. Eh? Die in peace, eh? Come. Slowly, Father. Just lie here.
Mwagurum jala jeleja. Mwagurum jala jeleja.
It is my time to rule.
Mwagurum jala jeleja. 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 Mwagurum jala jeleja.
Don't do this! Mother, help me!
gods are not asleep.
Lala 1!
Yes, that's who you are!
Lala 1!
That's who you are! Come!
Lala 1!
That's who you are!
Lala 1!
Lala
1!
Mother! Mother!
Lala 1! Lala!
Ikobi, don't do this!
You're a woman! You're a man! You're a man!
Mother! 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 Hey! 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 What have you done to my family? What have you done?
Leave my presence.
Mother!
Take her out of here.
No! Don't touch me! 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 Move! I will follow you! I will go! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! He can't be one anymore! He can't be! I will go! I will go! Move it! I will go! I will go!
And I say to you all, today there shall be no more killing and pains in Umurutu Kingdom. And tomorrow I shall become king of Umurutu Kingdom. Guards, get the elders.
Lost of our land! I can no longer hear from you. Speak to me. Speak to your humble servant again. Give me one more chance. I will amend my ways. Please.
It is too late. Your time is up, Ozumi. Your time is up.
No matter what you do, cannot stop the sun from shining. Ugonchala chachago, imana diye uchafima, mananya ugacha. Miri marugo, opayasa sirugaru. No competition in destiny. God bless no man can come. Una follow wachi tere manu, wachi tere manu. Webu wachi tere manu, wachi tere manu. Emenu mana, emenu mana, mananya ugacha. Una follow wachi tere manu. Manu,